Hi viewers, this is Umarani Purushothaman welcoming you all to the story page today, and my story is about three dolls and it revolves around a prince and about the three dolls. Okay, now I will let you know the story. There was a kingdom where a prince will be there. A sage and his wife will visit to their kingdom and give three dolls to the prince, and the prince will not be happy because he will say, why, like a girl, you are giving me the dolls, you can give it to the princess, not to me. Then the sage will say, no, there is a story behind, like that he will say, and he will ask him to take the first doll, put a string into the ears. Then the prince will put the string into the ears, it will come out of the other ear. Okay, and then he will take the second doll, put the string again into the ears, it will come through his mouth. Then it will take the three doll, it will pull the string, it will not come out either through the ear or through the mouth, it will not come out. Okay, and then the prince will ask him, which man is best, whether coming out of the ear, coming out of the mouth, or it's not coming out, which man is the best man, like that he will ask the sage. Then now the sage will say, see, like when it is coming out through the ears means, it means it's not listening to you, whatever you say it's not. Some of our students are like that, no, they never listen in the class, like that. There are some people who never listen to whatever you say, and there are some people, whatever you say, they listen immediately, they will go on, they will be like gossiping type, they will go immediately go and tell to somebody. And there are some people whom it will never ever come out of their mouth, whatever you say they will listen and keep it in themselves. So these are the three type of people available in the country, so you should know how you have to react accordingly. Then now the prince will ask the sage, which one is the best, the first, second or third? Then it will say no, he will give another fourth doll to him and then ask him to put the string. It will not come out of the ear, it will not come out of the mouth, it will not come, it will be silent. Okay, now this person is a trustworthy person, like that the sage will say, which means like sometimes when some people say something, not that you have to listen to everything, what you have to listen, you listen, what you need not listen. Maybe for example somebody is abusing you, why listen and then shout at them and create unnecessary thing? Don't listen to whatever comments they are passing, that is really good. And like second doll, you should tell when you have to say, that also is important, not that all the times you have to keep quiet, sometimes in some place you have to back answer, so you should know when you have to answer, when you should not answer. And like the third one, some of the information should not be let out to anybody, it has to be kept as a secret, so such information should be maintained as a secret within yourself. So this is the lesson the sage will teach for the prince. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.